That is perfect. There is no wrong way to do this. Just remember, it is only a 30-minute show. Sneaky. Very good. Very well done. Come on over here. Now, Isabel, if you don't mind, I'd like to ask you to do one more thing. Could you say loud and clear into the microphone, Doctor Strange, find my hat?
Doctor Strange, find my hat.
Very interesting. You don't know? All right. Seems to think it's this one. Isabel, he's pushing it over to you. Could you open that box? And if your hat is inside, take it out and hold it up high so everyone can see. Very good job mixing the pieces, Isabel. And we'd like to give you a gift. Would that be okay? Okay, we're going to give you your own super dog. Is that all right? Okay. She said yes, and she doesn't seem to feel the need to consult with anybody. Okay, Isabel, here comes your super dog special delivery. Thank you very much. This is Shrek, everybody. Hi, Shrek. Thank you. I'm going to take that, and we're going to give Shrek his basket back. Thank you so much. Now, folks, after the show, you can head over to our collectibles tables. We have replicas of many of our famous super dogs. You can get any of those for a variety of prices. And whatever you buy there, a portion of the proceeds go to support animal shelters and humane societies across North America. Isabel, you get yours for free. You were terrific. Thank you so much for your help.